Today I'm going to teach you how to link a microphone in DaVinci Resolve. This is essential if you're recording voiceovers, narration, or any live audio directly into your video project. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once you're in your project, look toward the bottom of the screen where you'll see several workspace tabs. Click on Fairlight. This is DaVinci Resolve's dedicated audio editing workspace, and it's where all your audio routing and recording happens. The interface will shift to show you a more detailed audio setup. Now that you're in Fairlight, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. Here you'll see a panel labeled Mixer. This is your audio mixing console where you can control levels, effects, and most importantly for us today, your input sources. The mixer displays all your audio tracks and gives you full control over what goes in and out of each one. Next, select the audio track where you want to link your microphone. You'll see several options for that track, and one of them will say Input. By default, it likely says No Input. Click on No Input, and then from the drop-down menu that appears, click Input again. This opens up the input routing window where you can assign your microphone to this specific track. Now it's time to select your actual microphone. You should see a list of available audio devices connected to your computer. Find your microphone in that list and select it. Once you've selected your microphone, you'll need to assign the audio channels. Click Audio 1L and Audio 1R, or whichever track number corresponds to where you're linking it. This routes the left and right channels of your microphone into DaVinci Resolve so it can capture your audio properly. After setting your channels, click Patch. This finalizes the connection and officially links your microphone to the selected audio track. You're now set up and ready to record. Now close the input routing window. To test if everything is working correctly, look over to the left side of the mixer panel and click the R button. This enables recording mode for that track. Go ahead and try to talk into your microphone. You should see the audio levels moving on the meter, indicating that your microphone is successfully linked and picking up sound. And that's it. Your microphone is now linked to DaVinci Resolve and ready to capture your voice. You can now record voiceovers, dialogue, or any other audio directly into your project timeline. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.